Hi, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm, and I wanted to discuss an area that is of concern to many folks about once they are terminated from their place of employment, but they still have a workers' compensation claim. Does that mean that all of the workers' compensation benefits also get cut off or terminated? And the answer to that is not necessarily. That doesn't mean just because you no longer work for the company that your benefits cut off. There are many different scenarios that I could go over, but let me just briefly give you one or two. Let's say that the employer has determined that they cannot accommodate the injured employee any longer, in that the doctor from work comp has said you have these lifting restrictions, but you can go back to work in some capacity. And the employer says, well, we don't have any jobs that meet within that criteria, so we're going to have to terminate your employment. Well, in that scenario, your work comp benefits don't stop. You still have the right to the medical care that you were getting. In certain circumstances, even if you've reached MMI, sometimes the insurance carrier will still continue to pay you weekly benefits. They don't have to by law, but sometimes we can get that continued. In addition, with the medical care, also prescriptions, physical therapy, and the like, all of that should still be available regardless of your employment status. Let's take another scenario. What if you're terminated because they determined that post-accident you had tested positive for banned narcotics or drugs, etc.? Well, in that scenario, the law provides in most instances that you can still get medical care, but you may not be entitled to weekly benefits checks. In that scenario, sometimes, most often, you'll be terminated from employment for the obvious reason, but those benefits still of getting medical care are still available to you. There's many other scenarios I can think of and go over with you, but if you have specific situations or concerns about your particular set of circumstances, please give us a call at the Nomberg Law Firm, 205-930-6900. NombergLaw.com is our website. We can also be found on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Thanks.